নমস্কার, শুভ সন্ধ্যা। বসুধার কথায় আপনাদের স্বাগত। আজকে আমার কথার মধ্যে, কথা বলার আওয়াজের মধ্যে কিছু ত্রুটি থাকতে পারে। আই এম এক্সট্রিমলি আনওয়েল ডিউ টু কাফ, কোল্ড অ্যান্ড ফিভার। তো সেই ভুল ত্রুটি আমাকে একটু আজকে ক্ষমা ঘেন্না করে দিতে হবে। এনিওয়েজ, আজকে আমি পড়ছি মাইন্ডফুলনেস ইন প্লেন ইংলিশ, ভান্তে গুণরত্নার বই থেকে, দ্য পারপাস অফ মেডিটেশন। The misconception regarding the purpose of meditation is that it will make you more psychic. No, the purpose of meditation is to develop awareness. Learning to read minds is not the point. Levitation is not the goal. The goal is liberation. The goal of meditation is liberation. There is a link between psychic phenomena and meditation, but the relationship is very complex. During early stages of the meditator's career, such phenomena may or may not arise. Some people may experience some intuitive understanding or memories from past lives, others do not. In any case, these phenomena are not regarded as well developed and reliable psychic abilities, and they should not be given undue importance. Such phenomena are in fact fairly dangerous to new meditators in that they are quite seductive. They can be an ego trap, luring you right off the track. Your best approach not to place any emphasis on these phenomena. If they come up, that's fine. If they don't, that's fine too. There's a point in the meditator's career where he or she may practice special exercises to develop psychic powers, but this occurs far down the line, only after the meditator has reached a very deep stage of jnana, or will he be advanced enough to work with such powers without the danger of their running out of control or taking over his or life. The meditator will then develop them strictly for the purpose of service to others. In most cases, this state of affairs occurs only after decades of practice. So don't worry about it. Just concentrate on developing more and more awareness. If voices and visions pop up, just notice them and let them go. Don't get involved. There are side effects of meditation. So we might develop some psychic powers, but developing psychic powers is never the goal of meditation. It is more often misconception. There's a misconception that if we do meditation, we will be gaining something, we will be having some sort of powers, we will be having some sort of hypnotism powers, but it is not like that. We might get some sort of insights, some sort of knowledges about our past. It might happen to someone, it might not happen to someone, but the more of the purpose of the meditation is to make us aware of our own self. The self awareness and the self connection is the more important part of meditation. So we should not get like carried away by the conception or thinking of those side tracks that what we can achieve. So instead of having a goal of meditation, it is better to see that whether we have been able to connect within ourselves or not. So this was my discussion for today. Hope you have liked it. আপনাদের যদি কোনো মতামত থাকে আমাকে নিশ্চয়ই জানাবেন। শুভরাত্রি, সবাই ভালো থাকবেন। সর্বে ভবন্তু সুখিনা, সর্বে সন্তু নিরাময়া, সর্বে ভদ্রাণি পশ্যন্তু, মা কশ্চিৎ দুঃখ ভাগ ভবেৎ। আর বসুধার কথা চ্যানেলটিকে লাইক, শেয়ার এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন। ধন্যবাদ। শুভরাত্রি।